In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Xero certification. This is an exciting opportunity for anyone looking to enhance their accounting skills using Xero software, an essential tool for modern businesses. Whether you're new to Xero or looking to formalize your experience, obtaining a Xero certification is a great step forward in your career or business journey. Let's start by guiding you through the process to acquire your certification in about 5 minutes. The first step in this journey is to navigate to Xero Central, which is the hub for all learning and support resources related to Xero. Xero Central is not just a place for certification, it's a comprehensive resource for all sorts of learning, whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on advanced features. Once you're at Xero Central, your next move is to select the learning option. This might seem straightforward, but it's an important step. Clicking on Learning will take you to a section where Xero has consolidated all its educational content. This area is dedicated to helping users get the most out of Xero through a variety of learning formats, including articles, how-to guides, and video tutorials. As you explore this section, your attention should be directed towards the Xero certifications. This is where things start to get specific to your goal. Click on the Xero certifications option to proceed. This area is your gateway to becoming certified. Xero offers several certification paths depending on your interest and level of experience. It's designed to guide users through learning modules that cover the extensive features and functionalities of Xero. Now that you've reached the certifications page, the next and arguably most exciting part of this journey begins: browsing and completing the webinars to get your certification. Xero has designed these webinars to be comprehensive yet accessible. They cover a range of topics, from the basics of setting up an account to more complex financial reporting. These webinars are not just tutorials, they are interactive learning sessions led by Xero experts. They provide valuable insights that you won't find anywhere else. Finishing these webinars will take you through a series of quizzes and assessments designed to test your understanding and ensure you've grasped the necessary knowledge to use Xero effectively. It's crucial to approach these with the seriousness they deserve, as they are the final step towards your certification. Here are a few additional tips to help you along the way. Make sure to take notes during the webinars and use Xero's resources to practice as you learn. If you ever feel stuck, Xero Central has a wealth of articles and a community forum where you can seek answers and share knowledge with fellow learners. Remember, certification is not just about passing tests, it's about understanding how to use Xero to enhance your accounting processes and adding tangible value to your business or career. Upon successful completion of the webinars and assessments, you will receive your Xero certification. This certification is a badge of honor, signifying your commitment to mastering Xero and a mark of trust for employers or clients who rely on your accounting expertise. To recap, starting your journey towards Xero certification is as easy as visiting Xero Central, selecting Learning, clicking on Xero certifications, and completing the required webinars. With dedication and careful study, you'll soon find yourself among the ranks of Xero certified professionals. That wraps up our guide on getting your Xero certification. We hope you found this video helpful and that it marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter in your professional or business journey. Keep learning, keep growing, and, most importantly, keep making the most of the fantastic tools at your disposal like Xero. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey to becoming Xero certified.